Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a poster in Canva in 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we have to do here is we need to go to the Canva website. So that's going to be canva.com. Now in this case, we need to create our account for us to access Canva. So you could either choose the login option here or the sign up option. So if you choose the sign up here, you could use your Google account for you to basically create your account in Canva. So this one is pretty easy. Just choose Google and choose the account that you want to use. But if you already have an account here like I do, just hit on login, and from here we want to continue to Google, and from here just choose our account. Now once you've done that, it's going to automatically reload the website itself and you'll be able to access the main web page for Canva. Now what we need to do here is to start creating. So at first it's going to be overwhelming because there's a lot of things happening here. Now in this case, the most simplest way for us to create our poster is via the create design at the top right. So when you click on it, there's a lot of other options that you could use here. But you could also use the search here to search for specific type of sizes or type of design that you want to use. But in this case, since we want to make a poster, the poster option will now be available or readily available to us. So as you can see, posters has a default size here, which is 42 by 59.4 centimeters. So let's go ahead and click on it. So by default, it's going to automatically create a new project for you. And on this new page, you'll be able to choose a design that you want to use. Like for example, we are already in the design page here under templates. So templates is a great way for you to basically get a hang. Like for example, you don't know how to proceed with your design. Maybe you want to get some ideas. Well, templates will come in handy. Now in this case, there's a lot of templates that you could choose from here, but they also have the pro versions or the pro templates here. So if you want to use the pro versions, then you'll have to buy the Canva Pro option here. So if you want to buy it, just click on the try Canva Pro here. And from here, it's going to give you information about this one. So they also have a free trial. So if you want to use that, you could go ahead and do that. Now in this case, to get us started, we first have to go ahead and choose a design that maybe we want to use. Now in this case, maybe we want to use this specific design here. Now in this case, it's going to load up, so make sure that you let it load up first. But once it loads up, you'll be able to edit the specific elements on this template here. Now in this case, if you're not aware yet, with every template that we have in Canva, most of the time the elements that you see in the background are editable. I mean, you could actually change a lot of things here. So as you can see, the text here, we could actually move this around as well and move this around. And if you hit on Control Z, it's going to reverse that. Now, the trick here in Canva is you need to first familiarize yourself with the tools that they have. So they have different tools here like text, the brand, the outputs, the draw tools, and different applications that you could use as well. Now, just to give you an idea on how things work here is you need to basically select individual elements here. You could go ahead and move them around, even rotate them if you want to. Now, if you want to add a new image, you could go ahead and click on the elements here. And from here, you could use all of the pictures or free pictures that you see here. Now, if you want to upload a new image, so this one is kind of different. You want to go to the uploads here. And from here, you could go ahead and just upload files here and you'll be able to use it in your project here. Like for example, you want to add this smiley face, you could go ahead. Let's give you an example. I'm going to replace this as a smiley face. And from here, yeah, so you could go ahead and be wild about this one. And from here, if you want to change the specific text, you could go ahead and double click on the word here. And from here, just type anything that you want. So you'll be able to basically change this one. Now, one more thing, if you want to add another text, you could go ahead and click on text here. There's a lot of templates, other templates or text that you might want to use here. So they have the golden hour, order now, sale. Again, there's a pre-versions of the text that they have here. So if you want to use them, go ahead and buy the pro version. Now, just to give you a short overview on how to create posters. Well, posters are kind of if we're talking about poster, it's more about conveying something really fast that when you first look at it, you'll already know the idea about it. So meaning, if you're going to create your posters, make sure that you don't add a wall of text here. Make sure that you only highlight certain things that you want to convey. Like for example, in this previous text here, it said that we can vote for a better life. So that's the main point of this poster here. So make sure that you highlight certain things, certain words that you want to express. Now, if in this case, this is just a poster that is for like hanging out for elections and whatnot. But if you're having, or if you want to create a poster like a movie poster, well, that one is kind of different. So in the movie posters, you have to showcase the title itself, the characters, and the importance. So sometimes you might want to give hints on what would happen in the future in the film, or certain aspects of the film you want to highlight that in your poster. But yeah, so posters, there are different categories or what different types of posters that you would do here. But ordinarily, what with everyday posters like this one, wherein you just want to convey a message, well, yeah, it's pretty easy. Just change the text here, change images if you want as well. And yeah, so if you don't have any idea on what type or what design that you might want to use, then it's better to use the templates option for Canva. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to you, and if the inspo, thank you for watching.